Hello estate owners, I'm your property specialist, Ms. Jessica Wintacla, and for today's touring, we are here at One Uptown Residence located here in Uptown Bonifacio, Global City. So the good thing about this project is just right across Uptown Mall, Grand Hyatt Hotel, and walking distance from Landers BGC and Mitsukoshi Japanese Mall, and minutes away from St. Luke's Hospital. So very accessible, and this is one of our prime project here in Uptown Bonifacio, Global City. And ang nagustuhan ko dito sa unit na to is this is located at 38th floor, and meron na rin tayong sky garden dito sa floor na to. And napakalapit lang niya dito, guys. And take note, there are only 6 units on this floor. So, tara, samahan niyo ako. So, hello everyone! So, nandito na tayo ngayon sa actual unit ng 1 bedroom dito sa One Uptown Residence. So, itong size ng 1 bedroom na to is not your typical 1 bedroom. Kasi this is a 70 square meters. So, sobrang laki niya and sobrang spacious, lalo na yung living area natin. So, tara, let's start. So, upon entering to the unit, so, makikita niya dito yung ating video intercom. So, if you are new to my channel, so eto naman is connected siya sa lobby. So if you have parcel or visitors sa baba, makikita nyo sila dito. But hindi nila kayo makikita dito sa unit nyo. So it's added for the security purposes. Okay? And dito naman is yung connection natin para sa ating internet. And dito, pwede pa kayong maglagay ng shoe rack dito sa kabilang side. And kung yung mga nakikita nyo namang gamit dito is included na siya sa unit upon purchase. So, let's proceed naman to your kitchen area. So, over here, so pansin nyo, andito yung ating washer and dryer. So, hindi siya karaniwan katulad ng iba na kita mo agad yung washer mo. So, ito is merong cabinet. So, diba? Sobrang ganda. And over here is your fridge. And of course, meron na rin tayo dito under counter and overhead cabinets and your granite countertop. And over here, a cooktop na included na dito sa unit and your range hood. And now, let's proceed to your bedroom area. But before that, let us check your toilet and bath. So here is your toilet and bath. So meron na tayong sink, mirror, and of course your toilet. And we have also the half glass partition dito sa shower nyo. So kung gusto nyo naman siyang ipa-full glass, so pwede naman. And meron na rin tayong shower dito. Yan. So now let us check your bedroom. So, the good thing about this unit, it's floor-to-ceiling glass. So, meron na tayong natural lighting pag day. So, hindi nyo na kailangan magbukas ng ilaw. So, mas less sa kuryente. And, take note guys, hindi basta-basta yung neighbor natin. So, right across is the Grand Hyatt Hotel, 5-star hotel. And on my right side is the Mitsukoshi Japanese Mall, which is the first here in the Philippines. And meron na rin tayo ditong twin bed, but if ever na gusto niyo ng queen size bed, so kasya pa siya. Sobrang spacious pa. Yan, as you can see. And of course, hindi to nawawala sa deliverables ni Mega World, our built-in cabinet. And your split type aircon. And as you can see, yung floor natin dito sa bedroom and dito sa living area is different. So, on the bedroom, it's wood planks and dito naman is ceramic tiles, yung ating floor. And of course, ito yung pinaka-favorite kong area dito sa unit na to, which is the living area. So, if ever na gusto nyo pang maglagay ng table dito or maging working area, is pwede pa siya kasi sobrang spacious nung living area nyo. So, marami pa kayong pwedeng gawin dito sa living area. So, it depends na lang sa interior designer nyo kung paano nila papagandahin din yung unit nyo. And, of course, meron na rin siyang kasamang split type aircon dito sa living area. And, dito naman since meron na tayong table dito and 2 chairs, but I could suggest na pwede pa tayong maglagay at least 4 to 5 seaters pa dito sa dining area nyo. Kasi nga sobrang laki ng inyong living area. And for our last part, so here is your balcony and your view. So, tara! Dito naman sa inyong balcony, so pwede pa rin kayong maglagay ng maliit na table and chairs kung gusto nyo. Kasi medyo malaki din yung ating balcony. That's the end of our tour. If you want to view the actual unit, feel free to message me on the details shown on your screen. And we offer our rent-to-own terms here in One Uptown, and this is the last 1-bedroom unit available here. And that's the end of our tour. Thank you for watching. Again, I'm your property specialist, Ms. Jessica Wintacla. Bye!